What is the reason behind popping sounds of the body joints? Most of the times we do a deep knee bend and then we hear a popping sound that comes from your knee joints. This is a very common thing that is faced by the people of different age groups. The reason for these sounds in the knees and other joints is because of the tendons, which are basically fiber responsible for connecting the muscles and bones, snap into a different position. When we move the tendons back and forth, getting into a new position instantaneously, there is no resting time, and thus the sound is produced. The popping of gas bubbles that escape from these tendons and joints cause the sound. This phenomenon can be explained in simple words as the bones passing gas. What is the role of blood platelets? The human body is of such type that it cannot hold excessive loss of blood. So there should be some hormone which helps humans to keep stick their wounds and cuts so that they may be intact with their proper working of the body. Blood platelets are the required hormone that helps them for blood clot during any severe accidents and wounds. There are very tiny cells that stick together like a gum and make a layer which does not allow any more blood to flow out of the skin. Although this process of making tiny cells of layers for blood clot varies according to the persons, yet these cells start their working when it comes in contact with the air, and it varies from person to person because of vitamin K and calcium along with proteins variation in the human body. Blood platelets are in millions in the human body. What makes us sneeze? We sneeze when our nasal mucosal membrane is swollen or the nerve ending is irritated. The irritation can be caused by anything, which may be a foreign substance or allergen. However, sometimes sneezing occurs when our optic nerve is exposed to bright light. Multiple sneezes or one single sneeze is a reflex of the human body to throw out any unwanted body out of the respiratory tract. In ancient times, people used to take a sneeze as a mark of danger that is to happen or a sudden death. Shouting or remarking, "God help you," has been a tradition since then. The Romans and the Greeks believed it as a sign of forthcoming miseries and thought that the lucky ones sneeze on the right while the unlucky sneeze on the left. According to the Bible, a sneeze signifies death. The Pope of the Church, Gregory, insisted on saying "God bless you" when you or someone sneezes. What makes the cracking of knuckles? In general, we hear a popping sound when we crack our knuckles, and there is a scientific reason behind this. The sound in the knuckles is caused when we deliberately or undeliberately extend the finger joint to its maximum range. The joints are enclosed by a lubricating fluid, and when we extend the knuckles, the gas that is dissolved in the fluid separates instantaneously and forms a little bubble, which as a result causes a cracking sound. But until and unless the fluid again absorbs the gas, you can't make another crackling sound from pressing your knuckles. Most of the people think that when we crack our knuckles, we actually enlarge them, but this is still debatable.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.